I had way too many duck eggs, and so I was watching this Japanese guy, this Japanese cook on YouTube, and he had a bunch of eggs, and he made this sponge cake out of and nothing but eggs. So I tried to do it like he did, and I did. Separated the yolks and the whites, and I whipped them separately, and got the egg white to a foam, and I added whitefish in the egg yolk, and I added after I did that, I whipped them all together and put the egg whites and the egg yolk together, and then I whipped them all together, and I added a cup and a half of sugar and a whole large cap of cinnamon, and I stuck in the oven on 320 for about an hour, and this is how it came out. And that's my duck egg sponge cake. And kids already been digging it. Must be good.